Have at it.
Too much pressure. Get in by the tree.
Tree's getting a lot of action tonight.
I told him to throw him by the tree, so that's pretty good. That's what I've been aiming at.
It kind of expands.
Yeah, it's getting bigger. You can tell. Metallic blue.
I can't. This is only a little digital camera. It's not very good film.
It's okay.
Takes pictures pretty well, but not film.
No.
But apparently yours doesn't work anymore, so.
Mine does, it's just in my room.
That would require effort on Steve's part.
Yours is handy.
It's only a little shaky, but that's only because I'm a little bit wobbly. Ooh, I feel suddenly more steady.
Yes.
Takes a while.
Apparently.
You can hear it cracking though. Nope. Oh.
Oh no.
Yeah.
It's a common.
Oh, I hear noises.
Noisies.
Stupid skeeters.
Don't open it. We're in here to keep the bugs out.
Open it.
Bugs can come in a crack. Sounds like it's leaking.
No, it's
cracking.
expanding.
Did the last one do this too?
Last one was further away. It's getting really big. Should I go up and get close up?
No.
You sure?
You have shoes on?
I can get them.
If you can get them and come back and get up there before it explodes.
Steve, no.
Betsy!
What, honey?
Let him out.
Okay.
Break my camera and buy a new one.
What if he breaks himself? Buy another one.
Yes, Steve. It stops cracking.
It's still huge.
Is it not going to reach critical mass?
Look at that sucker.
I'll throw something at it?
Oh my gosh, that is huge.
Good.
I think it's done.
Is there even any dry ice left in that?
We don't know. Don't really want to find out.
A bird just flew in the tree. He's gonna get kind of a surprise.
Want me to hit it with a shovel again?
Broom? The shovel's broken?
There's another shovel over there.
Okay, Betsy, go.
Oh, close. That's pretty good for me. I don't feel like a retard.
Alright, okay. Hold this.
Are you going for the shovel?
I'm over a shovel.
He's going for the shovel. We're shoveling the neighbor.
It's broken.
Can I try one thing?
That'll be Oh. soft. That'll be too soft.
But it'll move
Don't break that one too.
Hey, be careful, Stevie. Don't get hit. Are you hiding behind me? Yes. You're not in the shot, just so you know.
You okay?